We are going to plant asparagus seeds today. So I have these healthy seeds of asparagus and I am going to soak them in water for 1 to 2 days. Soaking will help us to make them germinate faster. You can see the seeds, they are very healthy, are sinking down at the bottom. After soaking asparagus seeds for around 1 to 2 days in water, I am now ready to plant them in the soil. So first I'm going to start them indoors because I don't have any spot decided, any spot planned to plant these seeds, because asparagus, I know it takes like years and I don't have any particular spot that is ready for them. So for now I'll just start them indoor, and then once the seedlings emerge, I will decide. By the time I will have good idea where to plant them. So let's begin now. I'm going to just remove this water first. I have also prepared my pot tray to plant them. Now what I want to plant these seeds as evenly as possible, so to avoid crowding of the seedlings. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take these straw pieces and just arrange them as a guide to drop the seeds. This way the seeds will be uniformly placed. Still it is very close, but I don't have enough potting mix today, and because of the COVID I'm not planning to go out. So and now I'm going to drop these seeds one seed at a time. Now I'm going to just drop these seeds in this straw. Since the seeds are wet, I have to dry them with the tissue paper. So here goes the fourth one. When you're done, remove the straws and cover the seeds with soil. Water it gently. This is how the seedlings looked after 15 days. I had planted the seeds in 2 different pots, and I had planted them on, I think, end of the April. And in fact, this pot I plant these seedlings, these seeds I sowed like 2 days earlier, but this pot seems to be working well, and you can see the seedlings are healthier and there are more seedlings here, and they are like, some are still emerging. Here the tiny ones, and some are already at this tall, so they are like in various stages. Here I see some seedlings, in the center. I don't know what happened in the center. Maybe I didn't water it correctly, or maybe the water was like, the soil is drying very quickly here, but here on the edges it is really growing faster. So this is 15 days seedling, and then you can see this is after 1 month. The seedlings are much taller now, and they're ready to be planted in a bigger pot. Now I have taken a 10 inches pot to plant the seedling. Now let's take the seedlings out of the pot, and to do that you just have to turn the pot upside down. I'm going to plant them together, so just pinch the pot at the bottom and take all the seedlings out, and you can see the roots are growing here. I'm just going to plant them together because there are some seedlings that are still growing and they are very tiny. I don't want to disturb them, so I just kept it in the center of the bigger pot, and I'm going to add soil now. So this is how, like, without disturbing any roots, I'm trying to put the soil. I'm doing this very gently, and you can see, just add the soil very slowly. Don't give a lot of pressure on it. Very gently I'm manipulating the soil to give the seedlings enough support. Then carefully shake the pot to prevent any empty spaces in the soil. Sorry, I didn't adjust the camera properly. It was very sunny and I wanted to finish it very quickly without damaging the roots of the seedlings. You can see why I didn't separate the seedlings. Here the small seedling, it is just emerging. Let's do the second part. I will repeat the same steps that I did for the first one. It was difficult to separate out the seedlings, but I did it very gently because there were some small ones in between. I didn't want to disturb them. Water the plants thoroughly, remove any entrapped air, and we're all set. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel Seed to Life for more such videos and updates. You can post your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you. See you again.